My name is Petter Nese. I've been working as a window craftsman for 2.5 years now. Before I started working as a window craftsman, I've been working as a musician and a music producer most of my adult life, and as a teacher as well, and these are things that I still do actually. Going into working as a window craftsman, my goal was to find a sort of counterbalance to working with music. I've been a professional Mirka customer for maybe 2 years, but I've been using Mirka's sandpaper probably since I was a little kid. Growing up in Finland, and more specifically Ostrobothnia, the same area where Mirka is from, Mirka was always around. It was the sandpaper that was available in every hardware store. The absolute favorite feature of the Mirka sander that I use, the 5650, is the lack of weight. It's light on the hands, and it's really important for me to take care of my hands while working. I think Mirka's solutions stand out, obviously with the yellow color, but with the design of the products that I think is really forward-thinking. With Mirka's products, I've been able to solve the problems I had before with my hands getting tired and a bit shaky as well. Perfect finish for me is a smooth wooden surface finished with 3 layers of linseed oil paint. In my work as a window craftsman, I'm most proud of my attention to detail and the finished result.